Poor formatting can not only get your books blocked but also lead to account termination. In this video, I'll be showing you the proper and easy way to format your books that will get it accepted by Amazon guaranteed. If this is your first time on my channel, you're welcome. I'm VALUEBANK, and all I do every day is to bring to you time-tested proven method and ways you can use to gain financial freedom here on the online space through vehicles like Amazon KDP, sales and marketing, and content creation. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you. Thank you for liking my videos and supporting my channel. Without wasting much time, let's get started. One of the major things that has been the worry in people's mind is the issue of book blocking. You understand? So Amazon has been blocking people's book for a very long time, and people have actually gotten worried. They don't know what to do again. They've done every method that have been taught to do, and their books are still getting. And it's a major thing because if your book is not being uploaded on Amazon, you won't make money. The chances of you making money is slim because no one will actually buy your book if they are in your folder. Your books will be bought if they are being uploaded on Amazon and if they have gone live. You understand? So in this video, I want to help us and explain to us how to make that possible and also make your book go live. There are some things that you need to do. There are some things that you need to understand as a publisher that I will be revealing in this particular video. Now, I've actually done a lot of videos on book blocking and how you can help and make your book go live. Now, this first video I did was how you can get profitable titles. I've done a lot of videos on how you can get titles. Now, I did this video on how you can get titles and check for trademark properly. One of the issues people are having while writing their books is the mistake of trademark. They don't know how to check for trademark the proper way. And if you ever succeed on KDP, you will understand that checking for trademark is very important. That alone can even get your account terminated. So you should understand that checking for trademark is very important if you will make money on KDP and if you stay long on KDP. KDP is a business that can change your life, and if you don't treat it as such, it will treat you the way you want it to be treated. You get? So going back to this video first is one important thing you should do so that you understand how to check for trademark and how to get the keywords the right way. You get? So I went on to actually do this video, which is the part 2 of this video. Now, this is a series of video I have done on book blocking, and I have been showing you my process of publishing, how I actually con my subtitles, how I check for trademark, and how I do a lot of stuff on KDP that makes my book go live. Now, when it comes to book blocking, I won't lie to you guys, it is foreign to me because I've never had a book blocked. I know of people that have never had their book blocked up to this point since this book blocking stuff started. You understand? It's not that they are doing any magic or anything like that, but doing KDP the right way first, being confident that you are doing the right thing is one thing that you must hold yourself accountable, and as a publisher that, okay, I am doing the right thing before Amazon comes with their problem or anything book blocking. You get? So you have to make sure that you understand what you are doing on KDP. You get? So this particular video I did is on how you can sanitize your keywords, your metadata. You understand? Because one of the major issues of book blocking is metadata issues. People don't know how to use keywords. You see them repeating keywords and all that, and that alone can get your books blocked because you are repeating keyword and you are overusing keywords, which is not supposed to be like that. You get? Now, I did another video on how to get your books blocked, and this is about 7 backend keywords, how you can sanitize your 7 backend keyword and how you can get your 7 backend keyword for your book so that your books won't actually get blocked. Now, this video I'm doing, I will be talking about formatting mistakes that people actually do make. And please, if you are getting value, a lot of people needs this video. And one thing I want you to do for me is to make sure first you give this video a thumbs up so that YouTube will push this video to people, publisher that actually needs this information, so that this particular information that you are enjoying will also help them make their books go live. If you have done that, thank you so much. And if you are not subscribed to this YouTube channel, please subscribe now and join the Telegram community also that I will pin on the comment section. Okay, so let's go inside. So the next thing for you to understand about this is about your formatting. I have actually reviewed a lot of books. When I mean a lot of books, I've reviewed close to 1,000 books of people sending me their books, and I will review it. I will take my time in my convenient, in any time that I'm free. I'll review this book and see, okay, and try to pick out the errors from their book and all that. Then tell, okay, this is what you are missing, this is what you are missing. I have reviewed a lot of them. So I want to show you a sample on how you can format your books, the formatting errors that you might be making that might be getting your books to get blocked. Because if you don't get everything right, now the process of me doing this series is for me to make sure that you have learned KDP the right way and you have done the right thing first. So if Amazon actually blocks your book, the proper thing to do now, you can be confident to chat with them and tell them, okay, you did everything right, and a human will review your book and they will take your book right, make your book to go live. You understand? Because you did the right thing. You get? So that is the number one thing first, to make sure that you do the right thing. Please, I want you to pay attention to this video. Watch this video as if your life depends on it, because business wise and when it comes to publishing on Amazon, that you want to make money on Amazon, it may. You get? So what I want you to do is pay attention to every single thing I will have to say, and make sure you watch this video to the end. That is if you want your book to ever go live on Amazon. What I'm sharing is something that is working for me, is something that has worked for people in my inner circle. It is something that works. So paying attention, liking the video, and even sharing it is very important if you want to help other publishers like you. You get? Now, I took like few samples of books that I want to be showing us as an example, and what I'm really talking about, that publishers do make mistake. Now, in this first video I did about book blocking, which has over 2,000 plus views now, I talked about getting a mentor, like getting a mentor or getting a coach or getting a course on Amazon KDP. Because most people, when they go into, like, they want to make money online, they come and they say, okay, KDP is a vehicle that I can use to make money online. So they come to YouTube, begin to search for how I can make money on KDP. So they look for videos on how to create an account, which I have one of the videos here. You can create a KDP account. You understand? But when it comes to like needing a guidance, that is where they actually get it wrong. They feel that because they can create an account and they can see videos on how to upload on Amazon, that is all. They can also see videos on how to write books with AI and write books and publish, and you can also see formatting videos. That is all. That is not all. You need a proper mentorship. Let's keep that aside. You get? So I took a little samples of videos, a little samples of books that I want to be showing us in this video. Okay, so this is one of the samples I actually took. Now this particular book was formatted by me. You understand? This particular book was formatted by me. As you can see, VALUEBANK. This particular book was formatted by me. Now, this is another book formatted by someone in my inner circle. Now, this is another book of also someone in my inner circle before he joined. You understand? So please pay attention. Pay attention. So now let's review these books first of all before I start giving us the solutions to how we need to format our books. Now look at this book. This is the first page, your title page of the book. Now look at herbal remedies. Look at the X here. Look at for animal disease. Look at disease. Look at the remaining complete to complete the words here. You understand? First of all, the beginning of the book is a mistake first, is a major mistake that this person has actually made. Now, this what is it called? Pen name is supposed to be like somewhere here, but you see pen name is in the middle, but that is not an issue. If you go down, you see the copyright page, you see words that are leaving each other, you see review. I don't know what this person actually used to edit this, but I believe it's Canva. If you get, now you see disclaimer, you come down, the person added an image here. I don't know why they will add an image here, but that is not an issue also. Now you look at the table of content, you come down, look at just you come down, you begin to see, like, look at a journey through time, the enduring awe. Look at this, look at this, look at this. You see, you see this, you look at this one creating another this thing. This one, this what you are actually seeing here is supposed to move to the next page, but the person kept it like this. Like, this is like the worst book I've ever seen when it comes to the book that I've actually been reviewing for people. You get, so when you come down, you look at, you see a lot of mistakes that this particular person have actually made in their book formatting, which is one of the major things that can help your book sell. But this person is actually making a major mistake. Now, this particular person that you're actually seeing here might be someone that when you ask them, they will say they have done everything right and they formatted their book well and they did everything right, and Amazon blocked their book. They even swear that they do not make a single error. Now look at this, remember, look at remain here, look at Mba here. You get, they will say all sorts of things to just say they have done everything right. You get, now this is the aspect I say you need someone that can teach you, that has worked the path on KDP, that knows this stuff very well. You understand? So this is a book that can never be accepted by Amazon. It will be blocked because of what? The formatting mistakes is too much. And this is one of the reasons Amazon do actually block you. You get, and I will give you the reasons. Now, this is another book that was formatted by someone in my inner circle. Now, this book, this guy actually used Canva in this book. I don't have any issues with this particular book, but you see, if by the time I will be mentioning the things that you need to avoid for you when you are doing your formatting and what you need to do a proper formatting, you will see the kind of errors that this guy actually made. You understand? Now, if you know how to design with Canva very well, there is for me, I don't like to complicate designs. Anytime I want to do a good interior design, I take my time, I make sure that I do a good interior design. But if I just want to keep it simple, I just do a formatting like this. It's very simple. I don't need to like over stress anything. I just do a good formatting like this. Add any relevant thing I need to add in that book, and that is it. The alignment, everything is perfect. You get, and formatting is something that you need to understand. Please pay attention and watch this video to the end. It is something that you need to understand before I be listing the issues for you. And if you are seeing them, you say, so had it been I knew, I would have actually done this like this, and I would have actually done this like this. You understand? So it's a major problem. It's not about, okay, I have actually known it all. We learn every day. I learn it, I buy courses. As I see a course that will actually improve my KDP earnings, I get it. You get. Now, this is not in terms of, please humble yourself and learn. If you don't understand it, go and meet people that understand. If you are asking them and they are not willing to give the information out for free, pay them to get that information, because you are in this business to make money. You get? Now, if you go through this formatting, you will see that everything is just simple. Everything is clean. Everything is simple. Everything is clean. Now, if you use Canva to do your book, you will see that when, just like I said, if I start mentioning them, you see the errors that this guy actually made that is not supposed to. You understand? And before he formatted this book, he has not actually watched the videos on formatting that I did in Naseco. You get? And if you will be following what I actually teach, there is no way you make any formatting mistake, because when it comes to KDP, I have studied it to the point that I know that what I teach actually works. And if you follow them, it will work for you, because it is what I've tested. Anything I'm coming out on YouTube, on any platform, in someone's DM, to tell them it is something that I've tested that is working. You get? So formatting is very important. And this guy actually did a great job, but he did little errors that he needs to know, okay, and he needs to work on. Like, this formatting is sharp, very nice, beautiful. Like, you look at the formatting, the image placement, every single thing is just top notch. You understand? But there are some formatting errors that this guy actually did here that I will explain to us. You understand? So let's go on. The next thing I want to talk about is, you see this guideline. A lot of people on KDP, they've not like even touched this place. And Amazon is actually designed in a way that they want you to succeed. They want the customers to get it. They want to make money. They also want you. So the Amazon platform is designed in a way that will help you succeed. And the best way and the only way for you to succeed on Amazon is to just go and learn what Amazon wants you to, in terms of formatting, in terms of cover, and in terms of every single thing, and just work according to what this platform will succeed. You see these guidelines and all this, I come to study them every now and then to make sure that I'm updated. If they have updated any single thing, I am aware, because turn back to it every 1 to 2 weeks to see if there is anything that has been added here that I need to know, because I mentor people. I need to be up to date to tell them, okay, these have actually changed guidelines and you should do this. This is not obtainable anymore. You should do this. This is what is working now. You should do this. You get? So when it comes to how you need to format your books the proper way, and the errors people are actually making when it comes to Amazon, formatting errors that people are actually making. Number one, I won't list them in a place of importance, but number one is incorrect file type, unsupported file formats. You understand? So you must ensure that your books is submitted in on Amazon on the file format that they want, like docs, PDF, EPUB, and MOBI. That is what is accepted on Amazon. You get? The another thing is corrupted file. Some people will upload corrupted file and they feel their book will be accepted. It will be blocked and it will not be accepted. You understand? So you have to check that your file is not damaged or corrupted before you upload on Amazon. Please pay attention. The next thing is formatting inconsistency. Now, when you come to this guy's books, this guy is a great guy. He's doing a great job. There is formatting inconsistency. You understand? Use a consistent font throughout your book. You understand? If you are not using a consistent font, and your font size also is another thing. If you are using, let's go up. If you are using this for this, it should be that. If you are using this for this font size for this type, it should be this. You understand? So if you are using this, it should be that. You get? And when you use like Canva to want to do your design, and you want to like do a very beautiful design, there are some things that will not fit in well, so you reduce, and you see that this font size will be different from this one will be different from this one will be different from this one. You get? So you have to make sure that if you are doing interior design and you want it to be beautiful, still follow the guidelines. If you are using font size this, follow font size this for this. If you are using font size that for, let me say, the chapters, follow that for all the chapters. If you are using this particular font for the sub chapter and you are using another particular font for the subheading, the total fonts that you should use in your book, the maximum is 3. Don't use more than 3. Some people use more than 3 fonts in their book. You understand? So you should make sure. And another mistake that people actually do make, another formatting inconsistency, is mismatched margins. So you must ensure that your margins are in uniform. Now when you use like a tool like Microsoft Word to edit your book, when you go to this view, there is this grid that actually shows you where your text is supposed to be, and your text should not pass this grid line. If you also use Google Docs automatically helps you do this, because it will not allow your text to pass like the margin that has been set on that particular paper size. But if you are using a tool like Canva, and you are doing your book, you get, if you are not careful, your one of your text or anything might just pass the margin line that has been set, and that alone can get your books blocked, because your text has passed the margin line and is not in uniform again. So you should understand these particular things. Is like, these are just the few mistakes people actually do make with their formatting that is causing them book blocking. You get? Another thing is incorrect heading styles. Follow a consistent hierarchy for headings and subheadings. If you are Just make sure that everything is in uniform. If you are using this, let it be this. If you are using that, let it be that. You get? Now, the number 3 mistake people are actually making is image issues. That are having is image issues. Low resolution images. Most people actually go and download images from website like Pixels, generate image from AI and all that, and they include in their. If you are including any image, please make sure that it's a high resolution that can be captured clearly. If your image is blur, you understand, and it's pixelated, that book will be blocked, because the what will I say now? The bot that is reviewing your book might not see all those stuff and all that. So your books might be blocked. So make sure that you use in your covers, in your formatting, in your interior, make sure that any image that you are using is of a high resolution and is showing clearly. You get? And another one is people downloading images that they don't have right to and including it in their. You get? So instead of actually giving the correct credit, and most of these images that you go to Pixels to download and you go to Pixels to get, or you go to free pick, most of these images require you to give credit to original creator of image. And if you don't do this, it might backfire on you, and it might lead to your books getting blocked or even your account terminated. Because if anyone comes to claim that image, Amazon might terminate your account and tell you to provide right to owning that particular image. And if you cannot, your account will be terminated or your account will be suspended, because you cannot provide right to that particular image. So if you are using image when formatting your books, and anywhere you want to use image in your book, please make sure that it is something that you can provide credit for, and it's something that you can provide license for. You understand? So please understand that. Another one is incorrect image placement. Incorrect image placement. Images should be placed appropriately within text. So you should understand this. Don't just place image anywhere because you are doing bleed book. Some people, because they are doing bleed book, they will just place image anywhere. You get? So you should understand what I'm listing to you now. As I'm listing them, just be jotting them down. Just be jotting them down, because it is something that it is one of the major issues that people are facing. And the number 4 is content violation. Content violation. Offensive content. Avoid content that is sexually explicit. If you have read KDP guidelines or rules and regulations, you will see this. Avoid content that is sexually explicit, violent, or promotes hate speech in your book. And most of these books, some people are going to write books on war. And one major issue that people are actually having, just because they use AI to generate their books, most people don't even proofread their book. They just go, paste it there, start formatting, and they go to upload on Amazon. Maybe their formatting might be right, but this is just the major issue they are having, and that book will be blocked. You get? Another thing is copyright infringement. Ensure you have the necessary rights to use any copyrighted material in your book, just like the images. Anything that is copyrighted in your book, please make sure that you check for plagiarism. Another thing is plagiarism. Some people don't check for plagiarism. They just copy from GPT, copy from Google, and they go and format and they upload on Amazon, and their books get blocked, and they complain that Amazon is after their life and all this. But Amazon is not after your life. Amazon wants to make money. And your books, if it is well written, it will make money for you. It will make money for Amazon platform. Amazon is collecting their cut if your books makes money. You understand? So Amazon actually wants you to succeed. You get? So avoid copying content from other sources without proper attribution. Some people will go as much as going to take books from public domain, and they paraphrase it, then they upload it on Amazon, and they change cover and they change this and think they are good. Your books will be blocked and your account will even be damaged. So you should understand this point. Another thing is technical errors. Please take note. Technical errors. You get? So technical errors include broken links. So if your book contains links, ensure they are functional. So maybe you want to upsell any of your book, or you want to give a bonus, make sure that that link is working. So before you even upload your book on Amazon, test all the links and make sure that they are working and they are leading to the point that you are directing the potential buyer or your customers to. You get? Make sure that every link is working. And another issue is incorrect metadata. Double check your books title, author, keyword and description for accuracy. Make sure that everything is accurate, and please, no repetition of keywords. No repetition of keyword. You should understand this. Another one is missing or incorrect ISBN. Please, if you are using an ISBN, ensure it's correct and registered. Don't just formulate any number and you use. You get? So the number 6 is poor readability. Poor readability. Excessive typos and errors. That is another one. So proofread your book carefully to eliminate mistakes. Make sure that you proofread your book. Don't just copy and paste, format, you save and you upload. Make sure that you proofread. Some people don't go through this process. That is why their books are being blocked all the time. So if you take your time, watch this video, rewatch it, and you watch from this part 1, and you follow everything that I've actually taught in this channel, there is no way your book will get blocked. And even if you don't know how to do a proper formatting, please go and get a course on how you can learn how to format and learn it well before you do any other thing, before you upload your next book on Amazon. You understand? If you don't know how to do proper keyword, learn how to do proper keyword. If you don't know how to do check for trademark, this is the video here. Come and learn how to check for trademark. It is free. I'm not charging you for this. It is free. If you don't learn how to, if you don't know how to like formulate your subtitles, the videos are here. You will learn how to formulate your subtitle with this particular video. So I will be linking all the videos that you need that is related to anything book blocking in the comment section below or in the description of this video, so that you just go and you watch them. And I'll be putting them in a playlist so that when you just come, you see that, okay, these videos are on book blocking, so that you can learn how to choose a good title. You can learn how to create your subtitle in a way that will not put you in problem with Amazon, in a way that will avoid any repetition of keywords. These videos are mind-blowing, and you can never find them anywhere. You understand? So let's actually go on. So excessive typos, make sure that you proofread. Another thing is difficult formatting. Please don't overcomplicate your formatting. Just make it trying to, I don't know which people they are actually trying to impress, but don't overcomplicate your formatting. Just make it simple. Look at this. It's simple. If you just make it simple, you don't need to overcomplicate this thing. Just make it simple. Just make it simple. You get? Just make it simple. You don't need to overcomplicate it. You get? And please, another thing is, come and read the KDP guidelines. Come and read the content guidelines, so that you understand how these things work. You understand what Amazon wants. You understand what Amazon is talking about for customer experience. Now, if you come to this point, you see that this is what Amazon actually wants when you are producing your content on Amazon. You see that illegal or infringing content, offensive content, artificial intelligence, poor customer experience, public domain content, report violation. So when you begin to read all this, you begin to understand that the perspective and where Amazon is coming from. And if you don't know, if you cannot, just copy this, go to ChatGPT and tell it to summarize it for you, to analyze it, summarize it, and tell you what Amazon is actually talking about. It will break it down for you, and you will understand it in a way that when you are doing your next book, it will be easy for you to create a book that will go live. Now, there are other things I cannot really share on YouTube. You understand? There are like two other things that I cannot share on YouTube. These are things that I like. I can't share them on YouTube because I don't want to have issues with my YouTube YouTube channel. You understand? So these are things that they are something that is not illegal, it's ethical, but I cannot share them on YouTube. You understand? Because most people are watching this video, and Amazon officials on Amazon can even watch my videos and say, okay, what is this guy talking about book blocking? And they say, okay, you see the secret that he has actually revealed here, clap down on it. You get? So it's not everything that I can share here on YouTube. I can only share what I can share on YouTube. You get? I can only share what I can share on YouTube. So if you follow what I have listed in this video, there is no way your books will ever get. And even if they get blocked, if you are good at all these things I'm actually talking about, like you are good at getting keywords, and one of the issues is keyword issue, metadata issue. If you are good at actually sanitizing and I have actually done videos on that. You can see keyword sanitization. If you look at this, the thumbnail is saying make your book go live, keyword sanitization. You get? So when you know how to sanitize your keyword in a way that you will not have issues with Amazon, that is, you have solved a part of it. Another thing now is your formatting issue. Now, if you actually have a book like this, Amazon will consistently block you, because this is a very poor book and it will result to poor customer experience. You understand? So please, if you don't know how to format, go and learn how to format, and make sure that you are good at it. Make sure that you are good at it. And if please get, also another thing is, get a laptop. Get a PC for your KDP business, because it's easy to do a very good formatting with MS Word. It's the best when it comes to like formatting your book. It's the best. There is nothing that you can do in Canva that you cannot do in MS Word if you know how to use it. If you get, in my inner circle, I taught them how to do a great book interior with MS Word, just like you can do with Canva. So there is a place for you to get a mentor. You don't necessarily need to get my get the get to my inner circle for you to like do KDP the right way. The free stuff I'm giving on YouTube there is enough for you to actually create with Amazon. The keyword videos. But if you want to learn and you want to like really learn how this stuff works, getting a mentor that will care and want you to succeed is one thing that you need to do. You get it is one thing that you need to. There is legal naira. There is a lot of good guys out there that can teach you KDP and teach you KDP the right way. The right way. You understand? So that you'll be confident. One major issue people are facing is they are not even confident to like chat with the Amazon review team and tell them that their book is great. If my books is blocked in any way, they will unblock that book because I know what I'm doing when it comes to KDP. I know that I'm very good at formatting. I know that when it comes to content generation, when it comes to generating content, even if I'm using 100% AI, sir, it cannot be matched. Like when it comes to prompting AI to get the best information, it cannot be matched. You understand? So people in the inner circle, like people in my inner circle, they understand what is called an irresistible book because that is what I taught them how to create. An irresistible book that can never be rejected by Amazon. How you can source for the content, how you can create the best book in the market. You get, because you need to understand it. This is why. And please, if you are getting a course, if you are a newbie to Amazon and you are a newbie in this publishing business, please, if you are getting a course, get a course from someone that actually has a track record. It is not about popular. This person is very popular and has a lot of students, and they don't care about your success or anything. Get a mentor that you can be in touch with, or you can be in touch with someone that they have positioned for them to for you. You can be in touch with these people and they can tell you, okay, this is what you need to do anytime you have issues. There are people in my inner circle, when they come in, I know that these people are like they are slow learners. I have to be patient with them. I reply to all messages when it comes to people that are in my inner circle. Immediately I come online and I see their messages. That is the first messages I know that they have actually paid for. You get, they have actually paid for time. And I believe that you have actually gotten a lot of value. Now, the two things I can't share on YouTube is something that I have shared in my circle. It's something that when you apply it, after doing every single thing I've said here on YouTube, that one is like it's guaranteed. Your book must go live. You understand? Your book must go live. You get, so I believe that you've gotten a lot of this particular video. This video helped you. The only thing I want you to do is to, if you have not subscribed, subscribe to the channel. Share this video, please. Share it to groups. Share it to any platform that you can share it to. Share it to people. Share it to Facebook groups. That is the only way you can help people. People need to make money. One of my major vision in this YouTube channel is to help 1 million persons gain financial freedom through online vehicles in the next 5 years. And just by liking this video, it actually helps YouTube push my videos to more people. And it gets me closer to my vision. When people do watch my videos, that is the only thing that you can pay back as someone that is seeing my video, is just to like it. You are not a subscriber, please subscribe. And if you've not joined the Telegram community, join the Telegram. By the way, I'll be going live today by 9 p.m. or by 10 p.m. because on Friday, which is the 20th of September, is my birthday, and I'll be helping 10 persons get into my mentorship for almost free. Now, to get into the inner circle, what you currently need to get into the inner circle is $30. but they will be getting in for almost free. Now, thank you so much for watching. As always, I am Value Bank, and I am rooting for you from afar, and I will see you in the next one. God bless you.